Hey everyone! Today we're going to read Paw Patrol's Rubble's Big Wish by Kristen L. Depkin, illustrated by Harry Moore. Here we go. Rubble and Rocky find an old box. Rubble wants to clean it up. He takes a nap first. Rubble has a dream. He turns the handle on the box. A genie named Jeremy pops out. The box is magic. The genie will give Rubble 3 wishes. Rubble wishes for a bone that will last forever. The genie uses his magic. A giant bone appears in the sky. Wow. Oh no! The bone crashes through the roof of the barn. Rubble will fix the roof. The Paw Patrol will help. Rubble lifts the bone with his crane. Sky flies Rocky to the roof. Rocky fixes the roof. Jeremy, the genie, helps. The roof is fixed. The pups chew on the giant bone. Oops! Rubble falls into a mud puddle. He is so dirty. Jeremy says Rubble has 2 wishes left. Rubble wishes for a super bubble bath. Rubble loves his bubble bath. It is so bubbly it floats away. Oh no! Rubble's tub gets stuck in a tree. The Paw Patrol will help. Sky lowers Ryder. He grabs Rubble just in time. Rubble has 1 wish left. He uses it to thank his friends. Jeremy flies into the sky. He gives the pups tons of treats. Rubble is happy to share with his friends. He's happy to share his wish with his friends. Rubble wakes up. What a yummy dream!